Hello, welcome to Outdoors with Brad. Well, today we had an accident. Yeah, well, I was flying around in my DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's a drone I recommend to everybody. So we were driving around on speed mode. As you can see, I was going up the street, following a car around, and just having a great time. The winds were light, calm. It was sunny. It was a beautiful day. And I'm about 100 feet, maybe 125 feet up in the air. So at one point here, I decided to turn around, and so we turn around. So on my way back, I decided to go a little higher. And as I was veering back off to the left, I hit something, and my drone started falling down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Mayday, mayday. Coming down, coming down. Well, I was just hoping it would land in the field, and boom! It landed right in the field. Perfect. I went and got it, and not too bad. Just a broken arm there. So I'm sending it back to the manufacturers for its manufacturing warranty and getting it fixed. So thank you for watching Outdoors with Brad and my drone crash. Thank you. Have a great day. And please subscribe.